Dead cat, condom, sound check. Testing, testing, testing. Dead cat, condom, sound check. I got a condom on my dead cat, yeah. Practicing safe audio. Safe audio. Maybe the dead cat condom will filter my potty mouth. Maybe it doesn't work at all. We shall see. Cyclists. Welcome to beautiful South Merritt Island. Fuck it. Whoops. See? Dang it. Condom didn't work. Speed limit 30, actual speed 45. Nobody does the stinking speed limit in Florida. Kidding me? Cyclists. I don't know why they ride on this road. That literally, they're impeding traffic and causing dangerous situations. I really, wow, that's pretty. It's just not safe. You know, if you're a cyclist, there's a lot of places you can go ride your bicycle on around here. This road, I mean, obviously, where is there for them to safely ride on this road? There isn't. So I guess their argument is, well, there's no, you know, designated bike path, but I have a right to ride my bicycle in the road. I don't know. Who knows? I don't care. Just saying it's dangerous. That's all. In my own opinion. Mangoes. So sick of mangoes. I mean, mangoes are delicious. I love mangoes. But we're on the backside of the mango season in the area here, and I literally had like 5 different customers bringing me bags and bags of mangoes, which I really appreciate. Love the mangoes, but I just can't eat that many. So I was like trying to give as many away as I could. Clerks at the gas station, other random customers, family members, neighbors. Yet I still ended up, unfortunately, wasting about a dozen because I couldn't give them all away. That's how many mangoes I was given over like a month's time period. Anyway, thanks for the mangoes. They're delicious. And I hope this condom on the, some more views, guys. That out there is Bird Island. I don't know if you can see all the boats out there. Big party. Like Florida Outdoor Adventures. If he lived around here, he'd be out there right now. He'd be right out there, Alberto, partying. Party time. Of course, it's like not near as cool as where you live down there. Whew, that part was stinky. Sometimes you get some stinky. Like all the seaweed and crap like pushes up to the shoreline and then it bakes in the sun. It's probably got some dead critters in there. Horseshoe crabs, mullet, whatever, you know, rotten random stuff, and it stinks bad. But it's not too bad today. There's one little stinky spot, that's all. Or it could have been a manatee fart. Who knows? 50-50. Rotten, stinky stuff, or it could have been a manatee fart. condom over the dead cat thing works, that would be really awesome to have decent audio. I mean, I would even like to be in the upper 50 percentile as far as, you know, decent audio. I'm not looking for anything real spectacular because I don't want to spend a bunch of money on audio and when I can spend it on other things like a KLR dash and a skid plate. Nice aluminum skid plate. I'm going to have to get that before. There's a few items I want to throw at this thing before I head up to North Carolina in October. Anybody who's interested, I'm heading up to Western North Carolina. Let's see, the 15th or the 16th of October, I'm out of here. I'm headed up there until the following Saturday. Well, I'll leave the following Saturday, so I guess, excuse me, I guess I'll leave Saturday, I think the 15th, and come back the following Saturday, so 2 days drive time, so it gives me a good solid 5 days up there. Looking forward to doing some riding, that's for sure, but any of you local guys up there that watch my videos or love to go for a ride if you guys are interested. Steel Horseman, come on. Come on, Steel Horseman. I know Dale kind of stepped on your toes, you know, calling you a convict and everything last time. Because you're a drug dealer, you know. But I'm cool with that. Can't do anything about the past, right? Steel Horseman, just move on and be positive in the future. So if you used to be incarcerated and deal drugs, you know, you're not in jail now, obviously, and I'll just assume that, hey, whatever you got on you, you got on you. If I don't know about it, I'm fine with that. Just, I don't want to see it. He's 70, I think he's 75 years old. 75 years old this year. Started this lawnmower repair business in 1962 when he was 21. I worked for Bruce a couple different times, once for a few months while I was waiting for another job to come up. And then when that place closed the door, like 3.5, 4 years later, I came back and worked for him for another 3 years. Let's see if old Brucey's here. Oh, of course you're here. Of course you're here. Can you get off my fucking ass? Sorry, guys. Then she's all sorry. She had to be texted. Anyway, going in to see old Brucey. Ooh, that's a cool picture. All right. See you guys.